Hello mga kaibigan, Joyan Montilla here. Dito po tayo sa Santa Isabel SDA Church. Napakaganda yung powerful message. And from, syempre, God's will for Apostol Pablo. Not only for that, ang napakagandang mga mensahe. Especially the Lord's Prayer. Yan ang kaabang-abang po natin. And for that, happy anniversary, Jack Liner. Happy anniversary ka, Jack. May you have. Maraming salamat po, Jack Liner. Thank you very much po sa aking damit. Fubu International, thank you. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po tayo. Happy Sabbath ka, Jack. Mabuhay po tayo. Maraming salamat po. Ayun, si Sir Chumacera. Okay, congratulations! Bagong-bago. Sumabay pa sa bagong sapatos. Alam na this. Sumabay pa. Alam na. Malapit na. Oh, malayo pa kasi mag-Happy Sabbath. Malayo pa eh. Starter pack muna tayo. Starter pack. Yan! Yan, kuya, papara lang muna. Kuya, papara lang. May dala ako.
Oh, sige, sige.
Thank you. Cute. Hello. Hello, happy Sabbath po. Happy Sabbath na cuteness overload. Happy Sabbath is the cuteness overload.
Ano, charger yan pala.
Alam na this. Happy Sabbath po. Dahil po, nanggaling po ako ng Santa Isabel SDA Church to fulfill the worship na alam na this. Alam na eh. Cuteness overload. Alam na this. Cuteness overload. Cuteness overload. Santo Tomas exit only. Alam na this. At cuteness overload lang. Cuteness overload.
Para mga nag-ticket niya lang yung gap.
For ano pa yan?
Beso ko lipa tayo doon, di pa binigay.
Kaya nga, for ano daw sabi niya?
Kaya binigay ko doon eh.
Oh, sabi niya, mamaya niyo sa Pilino ha. Ano reklamo natin yun?
May parang 60 ba?
Ha?
Oo, may subscribe
Gusto
kami.
kami, pipati sa bigay namin dun eh. For ano daw sabi niya eh. Hindi niya malag na alam na kulang ang tao niya.
Yo, what's up? Happy Sabbath sa ating lahat here at Jack Liner Bus. Ang bus number na talagang natupad ko ng pangarap na makasakay dyan. At syempre, literal na cuteness overload. Bus number 3403, Rolandson and Lesterland ang nakakasama ninyo for this Sabbath. Eto, mga kaibigan po, pasadahan lang muna natin. Yan, syempre, nagpapasalamat po tayo sa Santa Isabel Seventh-day Adventist Church. Yan, syempre po, Santa Isabel SDA Church at Metro San Pablo District 2. At syempre po, yan, pasadaan muna natin sa Adult Sabbath School Lesson, Unity through Humility. Unity is strength, but knowing what is true is not the same as doing it. We all fail sometimes, despite our best efforts at unity. But that's not the same as deliberately undermining unity. No wonder, then, that is Paul continues writing to the Philippians. He wants them to be of one accord, of one mind. Paul bases the necessity of unity on the teaching and example of Jesus. It's a team
that we find throughout the New Testament and especially in the epistles. The origin of this unity in the universe stemmed from the pride and thirst for position and power of a single angel in heaven, a sentiment that spread quickly even within a perfect environment. It then gained a foothold in Eden through a similar discontent with the rules God had put in place and the desire for a rising to a higher sphere than that which God had designed. This week, we'll look at the biblical basis for unity in the church, focusing especially on the amazing condescension of Jesus, the lessons we can gain from beholding Him, and how we can grow to be more like Him. Philippians chapter 2 verse 2. Fulfill ye my joy, that ye be like-minded, having the same love, being of one of accord, of one mind. This is the exciting moment of this. And I entreat thee also, through yoke fellow, help those women which labored with me in the gospel, with Clement also, with other my fellow laborers. Those names are in book of life. Philippians chapter 4 verse 3. Colossians chapter 1 verse 18. And he is the head of the body, the church, who is the beginning, the firstborn from the dead, that in all things he might have the preeminence. If had not been the Lord who was on our side, now may Israel say, if had not been the Lord who was on our side, when men rose up against us, then they had swallowed up us up quick, when their wrath was kindled against us. Then the waters had overwhelmed us, the stream had gone ever our soul. Then the proud waters had gone ever our soul. Blessed be the Lord, who had not given us a prey to their teeth. Our soul is escaped as a bird out of snare of the fowlers. The snare is broken, and we are escaped. Our help is in the name of the Lord, who made heaven and earth. Psalms 124, a song of degrees of David.
As usual pala, tayo po ay, syempre, at this time, natupad na ang pangarap ko na makasakay po dito sa bus number 3403 sa pamamagitan ni Rolandson and Lester Lat at sasabayan ng Adult Sabbath School lesson and ang talata sa Philippians chapter 2 verse 2 King James Version. Kaya po, yun. Magbasa-basa muna kayo ng
Philippians
Bible.
chapter 1,
Bago
verse
kayo
23
bumiyahe,
and
ay
24.
magdasal po
For I am
kayo. Bago
in a
bumiyahe,
strait
or
betwixt
in
two,
between sa biyahe
having a
ninyo,
desire
ay kailangan
to
ninyong
depart,
magdasal.
and to be
Ngayon
with
po,
Christ,
this has been Joyan Montilla.
which
Maraming
is
salamat
far
po.
better.
Happy Sabbath. God bless po
Nevertheless,
more.
to abide in the flesh is more
Yay!
needful for you.
Happy Sabbath. Sheesh! Siya nga pala, thank you very much po. Thank you very much, Fubu International, sa aking t-shirt. Thank you very much po sa Jackliner. Happy anniversary! Happy anniversary ka, Jack! Maraming salamat po. God bless more. Sheesh! Happy Sabbath, Alagang Jack! Thank you. God bless us all. Cutest overload.